And look, everyone at some point in time has gone through very tough times financially. For me, I was dead broke and on my own once when I was 19 years old and another time when I was 25 years old. And both came with completely different dumb mistakes I made and hard lessons learned. And here's the thing, I have zero sympathy for those who just choose to not learn from their mistakes and decide to repeat history over and over again and stay in their poor and situation. Because if my struggles have taught me anything, it's that you have full controls out of the outcomes of your life. And that's really the first thing you want to do. Reflect on what happened. Take full accountability and ownership of your situation. Do not be a victim, and know and understand that you could have influences to create a better outcome if you really wanted to. From there, you want to start thinking, how did I get in this position? What led me down this path? And what decisions did I make that I shouldn't have made in the first place? Again, too, if you're broke, it really comes down to two things. Either you have no discipline on spending money, or you're just too lazy and complacent to make more money. And understand both boil down to the lack of the ability to make proper decisions, thinking in the long term. Think of someone who actually wants to get into shape. Someone who's thinking long term is going to stick to a diet, learn to love kicking their ass in the pain in the gym, and push their bodies to the limits in order to get the result that they want. It's not fun, but you know deep down you're not working just to see a result today or tomorrow. You're working to see the result and your vision come to life 6 to 12 months down the road. Now, someone who's going to be thinking the short term is going to be eating cake all day long and half-assing their workouts. And it's easier because, well, cake fucking tastes good. And it's a lot better than meal prepping is. But that person is trading away the results and the body they want 12 months from now just for a short-term here and now pleasure of eating cake. Because what's easier, spending money on those new shoes you really want, or not spending money on the new shoes that you want, even when you have the money to do it? Is going to be putting in more work to improve your business in order to make more money 6 to 12 months from now, or just keep everything on default mode? Because overall, it's just easier to stay at the same level you're at right now. Your decisions and habits that you make surrounding the long-term versus short-term realities will dictate the quality of your life in the next 6 to 12 months.